Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to GM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, English of Prep Class. Dear students, today we are going to do words and pictures. पेज नंबर 6 पर देखिए आपको कुछ वर्ड्स दिखाई दे रहे हैं विद वोकैबुलरी. So say it with me loud. Read the given words and look at their pictures. Mug. Repeat with me. Mug. M-U-G. Mug. Jeep. J-E-E-P. Jeep. Third one is tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. L-O-G. Log. Log. Lakri. Next one is jug. G-U-G. Jug. H-A-T. Hat. H-A-T. Hat. Very nice, students. Next one is bag. B-A-G. Bag. Next picture देखिए. O-W-L. All. O-W-L. All. T-O-P. Top. T-O-P. Top. Last line पर देखिए. Third last picture पर. B-I-R-D. Bird. Bird मैंने पढ़िंदा. B-O-X. Box. Box means dabba. And last one is duck. D-U-C-K. Duck.